people. And I believe that the solution lies in political education and principled struggle. I think we need principled struggle. That means we have to have parameters, we have to have morals that guide us in a direction. I heard Brother Tyree talking about how we need to insert God into our message, right? And for us, God is omnipresent. That means God is in me, is in you. And when we start to insert principled struggle into our movements, we'll see that the youth will receive that, but we have to be consistent because the system is consistent. The system does exactly, it works like a machine. It's so much so that sometimes our own people do the work for it, right? And so we're in a situation now where our people need to learn their own history, but the only way they're gonna do that is if it's attractive. And that's why these things are so important, to bring musicians and poets and writers and people who really create culture that can shift the culture into one that we actually desire self-determination, that we desire to be able to determine our own destiny as a people. But in order to desire that, it's gotta be attractive. And so the solution, I believe, lies in the music, it lies in the poetry, it lies in the journalism. So yeah.
Great answer, great answer. Go ahead, my brother.
Absolutely. It's the absence of love. But let me put that in this context. The absence of love that leads to healing. A lot of times in the communities, we compartmentalize healing to make it be one particular thing. And so we get single-minded in our approach and think, well, we gotta look at education, gotta look at finance. We have to look at this particular thing, diet. It's a comprehensive approach that we create an environment that we all play our part, whatever part that may be, to contribute to the healing of our people so that love can flourish, right? We say unity is the answer, but what is unity? Unity is the independence of not just our open enemy, but it's the interdependence of each other. That we all function as the body does to operate as a living single organism that has the ability to defend itself. So for me, I'm gonna just simply say, what's